In this video, we'll be learning how to draft our leg mount sleeve. And what you first need to do is to locate the distance between your elbow and your top line and divide those lines into 4 places. Like you can see me do, divide it into 4 places as well as the side of your sleeve and connect in that manner. Make sure to label it and begin to slash from the top line up to that point in the same manner, just like you can see me do in the video. Okay, so once you are through with the slashing of each side of the sleeve, you want to go ahead and take a fresh paper and begin to spread your sleeve by the amount of the weight you want it, depending on how voluminous you want your sleeve to be. Okay, so once you finish spreading like so, you can connect the tip of the sleeve edge with a straight line. Okay, so that you can have that point. Then from that midpoint of the sleeve, you want to go up. So you want to go up by about 8 to 9 to 10 inches. Okay, so and then from the midpoint, you connect it to the tip of the crown of your sleeve, just like you can see me do. Okay, so once you've connected this, make sure to flesh out the surrounding part of the sleeve, and then make sure to add or indicate the necessary seam allowance, the side of the sleeve by 1 inch, the crown area of the sleeve by half of an inch, the hem 1 inch, and cut out from the pattern paper. Okay, then you can transfer to your fabric and you pleat back that your crown of your sleeve back to the normal size of your sleeve.